Channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video, we are going to evaluate the given arithmetic expressions by applying BODMAS rule. If you want to understand BODMAS rule in detail, then you can watch one of my videos, link of which is given in the description of this video. So let's move toward the solution of this question. The question is this one. We are going to evaluate this expression with the help of BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule, let us write down BODMAS rule so that everything will be clear to us. In BODMAS, the word or the collection of abbreviation which is BODMAS, each letter stands for something. BODMAS. In BODMAS, B stands for brackets. Better we write equal here. What type of bracket? We have four types of bracket here. Line bracket, small bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. Then O stands for order. Order means power of any number, square root of any number, these types of things. Of, one of two, this is also order. Like we can write square root of 3, 5 raised to power 2, etc. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition and S stands for A for addition, S for subtraction. So whenever we want to solve any arithmetic expression, we have to follow the same sequence. Like in one expression, first of all we have to solve brackets, then order, then we have to solve division signs, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Okay, let us start the solution of this one. In this one we have almost all the brackets, so we will start with the smallest bracket. The smallest mean the initial bracket, which is line bracket. (25 minus 40 divided by curly bracket and then 8 into 6 minus). We will open this bracket. So when we open this bracket, minus sign will apply to 6, it will become minus 6, and then minus with minus will become plus, it will be plus 1. Okay, now we solve this. 6 cancel with 6, and we are left with 1. So 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Actually, since it is the only single number left, so no need to write bracket. So 40 divided by 8, 25 minus 40. If you want to remove the division sign, we can put here multiplication sign, and we will write the reciprocal of this number, which is 8, so it will become 1 over 8. 40 cancels with 8, answer is 5. 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, equals 25 minus 5 into 1, 5, is equal to 20, and this is our answer of this question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.